came here to Apollo Hospital with my son, Baraka Samara Amiri Kaduri. He's 8 years old and a boy. He had an accident of falling at school back home in Tanzania, which initially we didn't know. We came to learn later that he had fallen. Unfortunately, we sent him to the hospital and he told us that he has a spinal injury. He told us that his case is very difficult, and he mentioned that Apollo Hospital in India would be the best place for Baraka. And we were very much lucky here to meet with the Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
So surgery doesn't solve all problems related to the nervous system. So as we see with this child, Barak, he had a spinal cord injury, not able to move his limbs at all against gravity.
And I remember it was on 19th of June, after all the investigation that had been done, after the problem was known that this is the exact problem with Baraka, was operated on that day with Dr. Rajendra Prasad and his team. It took about 3 hours, the operation, if I remember correctly, and thereafter Baraka was shifted into ICU.
As a neurosurgeon, I have a particular interest in neurorehabilitation because surgery does not solve all problems related to head or spine injury. Surgery relieved the pressure on the spinal cord, but then we have needed physiotherapy and occupational therapy. And recently, our robotic machines have really helped in the rehabilitation.
So when we came to physiotherapy, Baraka was not able to lift his legs, to lift his limbs. But with the good people, with the good doctors, Dr. Sima,
Today what we see him playing and moving around. Less than 3 months back, he had a nasty fall and he was bedridden. He came here to India after his neurological surgery done by neurosurgeon and the dedicated physiotherapy and rehabilitation. And this Endago equipment on which today you see him walking has given him a very speedy recovery.
So to us, everything is going in a very positive direction, and our expectations have been exceeded. Now that we see him, he's eating. He couldn't eat by himself, but now he takes a cup of tea in his mouth. He takes a chunk of bread and put in mouth. It's a very wonderful improvement, and sincerely, we are very grateful.
And now, as you can see, he's able to walk with some support, and this will improve gradually.
We really wish him walking and playing back home again and going back to school and a very, very speedy recovery.
And with all that said, I can only give our heartfelt thanks, our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Dr. Sima, the head of the physiotherapy department, with all the healthcare workers at Apollo Hospital and the administration of the Apollo Hospital. We are really very, very, very thankful